1/4 inch. Should be. Well, looks right on this side, yeah. As far as this side, yeah, I can imagine. The end of it there ain't Lazarite. Oh.
I was gonna say, let me run through it and see if it does that.
Oh, alright. Seems like it's been dropping lately. I think maybe it needs tightening.
Was it doing that on me when I last ran it?
Maybe not that much. But I'm taking about 5 minutes to get through it, ain't it?
Yeah. Going pretty fast.
Alright, well, let's see if it does.
But I might have been going through fast too. I don't know. I mean,
well, it's cutting really good.
It is. It is. I know it's cutting really good. So, you know, I can help that. I mean, it's going. It's not like it ain't going. about as fast as I can without bogging the motor down at all.
Right. Does it sound like I'm bogging it down?
It does. I mean, the cut looks fine.
I think it needs tightened, but yeah, it could be going fast. But cut looks fine, and it looks like an inch over here.
It might need tightened.
Yeah, it's under an inch.
Well, I don't know why I took the hose over here. It's still
Yeah, fucking.
It's an inch? Or what? What did I do?
It's alright over here. Yeah, I'm going too fast. Oh.
Yep, not quite.
Well, when you run it, see, we need a faster motor, damn it.
Oh, no, we do. Okay. Trying to be on this end and spray because my camera's over there.
Oh, I guess.
And the other day you were spraying this way and there was some splashes getting on it, so.
Maybe we move it further down,
They could.
because you can zoom in more if you need to see more.
Right.
Maybe for safe purposes it needs to be moved down so we don't get it wet.
Yeah.
And that whole thing's down. What do we do? Just flip the top over? Just flip the top over.
Did we?
Yeah.
Thought we flipped it right, but
I don't think I've hit any metal. You said you think you hit metal. But that was on the other side.
I meant to check it for that and I didn't. I mean, I don't see any right now, but it don't mean we didn't already pass it, you know?
Yeah, well, that was the other side, so we flipped it over since.
Yeah. Boy, it looks nice and red, don't it?
That's pretty.
I am.
In a lifetime dish, you know.
Yeah. I know.
Alright. Get dirt on your teeth.
Yeah.
Does.
Oh yeah, a lot better.
Better,
A lot better.
not including the dirt.
A little thick, more thicker than it needed to be, but it's a lot better.
About a line or two.
Measure it and see.
Well, I'll water it down first. I like to get that stuff in my
It's a
teeth.
heck of a lot better.
It looks good. It looks really
Slow
good.
it down. That's what I got to
But
say.
I think a little bit of wobble there when it doesn't have a clamp on it.
I think.
But that's
you
their
just-
fault. They didn't make it for clamping all the way that low.
I think you're going too
Clamp
fast.
is just- well, it's still wobble.
Yeah, because the blade is sounding a little dull to me. Yeah, it does kind of feel and sound like it, but it's like still going
Well,
through real well.
Yeah, I think we should
You
get
just
it
gotta
through
slow down with it because it's starting to get there. So you gotta slow down a little more.
Yeah, it feels dull. It feels dull.
Still cutting, you just gotta slow down.
Yeah, it feels dull.
You can't go through it as fast.
It's pointy, but it's not as pointy. Yeah, it's not as pointy.
I'll check that here in a minute for you. Watch this off. real
This
quick.
blade should have lasted longer, but it had a heavy duty word on it.
Yeah, I know, and we're only going for cedar. I mean, we got through quite a bit of loggage with it, really.
There's some small ones though, nothing big.
Yeah, but it all adds up. We go through at least 2.5
Yeah, but
logs that would be
blade's
this
brand-
big.
that brand new blade,
Well, that's how they are. They don't last forever. I mean, you know, you gotta
well, I
sharpen
guess
them
it's
inside.
time to sharpen it, huh? Yeah. Fire's keeping up. With this much sunlight, not a whole lot.
Oh, I forgot about that.
But it's alright, I've been watching it.
Good.
With this much sunlight, it's not doing too bad at all, really.
It ain't bad at all if it's keeping up because
It said 90%. It's
Yeah.
keeping up without turning it off, you know, and then not having it saying overcharged. It's doing pretty good. %. That's a lot. If it was sunny, it would probably be overcharged. Need another battery. And some more to run. Can't run anything else.
need another inverter that's better.
More money, damn it.
Dang it.
Oh, sorry. Dang it.
Oh, he's doing it.
Doing it.
Dang it ain't really that bad. I don't think.
No, I don't think dang it's that bad, but I think that's the other one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well,
I'm trying not to. Sorry.
did you not measure it?
I'll go measure it over here then.
Okay. I think it's still working. I just
It
gotta
looks
go a little
really
slower.
good, but yeah, feel them blades, man. These blades supposed to be sharp, not pointy.
Yeah, I could tell just by looking at them. They don't look pointy. Yeah, they don't feel pointy either, so.
Two lines over.
2 lines over, yeah, that's what I thought. But I mean, it's not too bad. At least it ain't under.
Well,
It's better
they're
thicker than
gonna
under.
plane them anyway.
Because you can plane them, you know.
Yeah, they'll probably plane them to 75.
Give you planing room, nothing else.
Or 3/4, I mean.
Well, we only got like 1 more cut to go.
One more.
Maybe 2.
Yeah, looks about
Yeah,
one.
right now that's over 1, so
No, I'll pull it out.
like 1.5. See how that is. Good.
That's good.
Yeah.
It was at 1.5 and suddenly we're at 1.
Huh?
Only clicked it twice.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
So it took.
Yeah, about 1 line over there.
I got suntan lotion on, but there comes
Yeah.
the sun, and it's feeling
About 1 line here now.
crazy to my neck.
It's
Just-
about equal there on both sides.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Yeah,
Real close.
it's them sun flares, man. Yeah, at least the sun ain't going out.
Yeah.
It'd be too hot, you just gotta get in where it's cool. Maybe that's why there's aliens on the moon, inside the moon and not on the outside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I don't know.
started.
Could be
Mhm.
aliens. Do you believe in aliens? I don't know about. There's something out there. I know that
Maybe.
can't be just us. I mean, look at the world.
Might
Look at how
be.
the world's built. I mean,
That might be what God is. I don't know.
that's what they think.
Might be.
That's what it. Well, it is. If you read the Bible, you read some of the things that they talk about. Like they see this star-shaped looking spaceship. Like these. Probably made of. Probably made of.
part's a little harder. Last part's a little harder. I had to take more time for it.
Knottier.
Yeah,
Did you get the knot?
it just seems a little harder to me. So yeah.
The knots that were on the side.
Mhm.
Yeah, I can see
There it is. Looks pretty good though. The other side. 1 export. That's what we're going for right at the moment. So we might get 2 more out of it if we're lucky. Looking we might. Alright, we're gonna start another video because this blade's dull, so we're gonna have to switch blade. We got one more new one to put on there, so what we're gonna do.